Yes, and the breaking update coming in at this point is that the obscene dance validity has been upheld by the Supreme Court. It is a three-judge member judges that have been looking at it. Secondly, discotheque and orchestras would be allowed, and also furthermore, tips can be now perfectly can be given directly to the performers. And furthermore, showering of money has been banned. So yes, there were certain close to around 26 conditions there that were imposed. One of the most important one that is coming forth here is that no money would be allowed to be to be thrown at the dancers. Tips can on its part can be given to the performers. Secondly, discotheques and orchestra would be allowed, but yes, the obscene dance validity that has been upheld by the Supreme Court. While there were several other contentions, close to around 26, that the owners had objected to, some of them have been allowed by the others still will be continue to be upheld. So no longer would money be allowed to be showered on the performers. Secondly, tips can be given to the performers. Discotheques and orchestras would continue, and also at the same time the obscene dance validity, which was in fact an argument, a subjective argument that the Supreme Court was looking at, because clearly the entire term of obscenity could not be clearly defined. So yes, on its part the Supreme Court has been looking at the 26 conditions there that were imposed on it. And yes, Harish, as is telling us here right now, in fact, is that the money would not be allowed. That was a contentious issue. The government had also raised that very point, saying that why is it that currency is showered on the performers? So that will no longer be allowed as it was in the past. Secondly, the discotheque and orchestra would be continued. The performers here would in fact be allowed to be given. They would be allowed to be given tips, and right.